Hot Tub Todd here for Sunset Spas and Crystal Clean 123. So you've decided to go with the Crystal Clean 123 system. It's what I use for a couple of reasons. Number one, we use our hot tub a lot. Just about every day. We might miss a day once in a while, but it's usually a couple times a day. Usually the last thing I do before I go to bed, because it really does help you sleep. And then my wife and I were in it in the morning, cup of coffee, let the dogs out. It's a great way to wake up. But I don't like sitting in chemicals. I'm real sensitive to chlorine, like a lot of people are. That's why this system is what I recommend personally. So instead of using the floater, the Eddy system, which is a great system. If we go away on vacation, I always put this in my hot tub so I know I'll come home to a nice clean tub. But in lieu of this, we use the sanitizer. So this is a very powerful, fast-acting chlorine called sodium dichlor. We use it because it kills everything that you just put in the spa bacteria-wise, and then it's gone. So I usually add it when we get out of the hot tub at night. So 10, 11 o'clock at night, get out, turn the jets back on, throw a cap full of this in, cover it up, go in the house. By the time we go back in the morning, it's 90% gone. So you're sitting in water that's virtually chemical free. I really like it. You don't have to use shock with it because this chlorine burns out the chloramines. Now you still can use shock because shock will reactivate some of those chloramines, but if you're following our direction and you're draining the spa every 3 or 4 months, you really don't, you need to use shock if you're using the Crystal Clean system. So this is the primary component. Add this when you get out. If you don't use it for a couple days, go throw a little in. Other than that, everything's the same. Use 2 ounces of Bright and Clear and 2 ounces of Spa Defense weekly for a 400 to 500 gallon tub. If you got a smaller tub, use less. But Bright and Clear is the best clarifier on the market. It bonds the particles together, makes them bigger so that they can be filtered. Great clarifier. Spa Defense is a calcium scale and stain inhibitor. Once you get calcium building up on the shell and in the plumbing, it's a pain to get rid of. So this will cause that to never happen. Other than that, if you have kids or people with a lot of soaps in their bathing suits, lotions, use some enzyme, just 1 ounce once a week. That'll eat up any lotions or soaps and get rid of those. Take a look at the video on cleaning your filter. We got a great filter cleaner, and in the video I explain how you can actually reuse this and make it last a long time. Other than that, startup procedures are exactly the same. Fill up your hot tub through the filter area, add a bottle of Metalgon for a big tub, half a bottle for a small tub, adjust your pH with pH increaser or decreaser, throw a little sanitizer in there, and you're off and running. It's a very easy system. And again, don't forget, register your spa at crystalclean123.com so that you have the lifetime jet warranty. That's it. Basically, a little bit of sanitizer when you get out of the hot tub, Bright and Clear Spa Defense once a week, keep your pH balanced, and you'll have a wonderful experience and a nice crystal clean hot tub. Thank you.